We're doing garlic butter grilled cheese. Check it out. We started out with garlic. We're gonna add some butter. While that's sauteing, we're gonna go ahead and butter our bread. Now that the garlic is all brown, we're gonna add our shrimp. We'll saute these for about 4 or 5 minutes until they turn pink. The shrimp are finished, so we're gonna take them out and set them aside. In the same pan, we're gonna take our buttered bread and put it down. Now goes a layer of the remaining Velveeta that I made at home. Now some Parmesan. Place your shrimp on top. Put the other slice of bread on. Now I'm gonna attempt to turn them over, and you're not watching. Now that that's done, I'm gonna smash them down.